right? But then that surrealism might be absurdity, right? It may not be absurdity, it might be surreal. But what's fascinating about juxtaposition of incongruity is how there's always a compatibility, and this is a fascinating phenomenon. There's always a compatibility. You juxtapose them, you find a single common denominator they share. Like one example is, and here's an absurd example, the famous surrealistic comedian Fitzgerald. He threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's a juxtaposition of incongruity. And so you find that incongruity and juxtaposition far more pervasive and prevalent in the field of comedy. And Mitchell's book says he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." The polarity here, not polarity, the contrast is toothpick and forest. They're unrelated.